Explanation of Morphology by Haley Watson. Morphology can be defined as the structure and form of a word in the language. A morpheme is the smallest unit of meaning in a word. In English, there are two types of morphemes. These are free and bound morphemes. Free morphemes don't rely on any other components to complete the meaning of the word. It can be used on its own. Free morphemes can be broken down into content and function words. Content words are an open class, which means that new words can be added into this category. An example is the word blog, which has emerged from the new digital age we live in. Function words are a closed class, meaning that words can't be added into this class. Examples are on and he. Then there are bound morphemes. Bound morphemes cannot stand alone. They must be used with at least one other morpheme. Bound morphemes are broken up into two categories of roots and affixes. Bound roots can't be used by themselves. For example, in the words jumper and dancer, the bound root of ER is dependent on the rest of the word. Affixes are also dependent on the main root of the word. Affixes contain both prefixes and suffixes. It can change the person, tense, and number of the word. For example, when adding ing onto kick, it creates a new meaning of kicking. Morphology is important for literacy learning as it will help children understand how words are formed and help them to recognize meanings. It will also help them to use and understand past and present tense and how to implement it within their writing.
Created using Powtoon.